Castor oil is often hailed as a wonder remedy, used for everything from improving skin health to relieving constipation. But while this natural oil boasts many benefits, it's not for everyone. In fact, if you have certain health conditions, using castor oil can actually worsen your symptoms or pose significant risks to your health. Today, we're going to explore 6 health problems where you should absolutely avoid castor oil. If you think castor oil is safe for everyone, think again. These conditions might just surprise you. 1. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Let's start with a common digestive issue, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. For many people, IBS means a constant struggle with alternating constipation and diarrhea, abdominal pain, and bloating. Castor oil is known for its laxative effects, making it a popular choice for constipation relief. However, if you have IBS, castor oil can actually do more harm than good. Because castor oil stimulates bowel movements, it can exacerbate diarrhea, which is already a common symptom in people with IBS. This can lead to dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and increased abdominal discomfort. Even if you're primarily dealing with constipation in your IBS, castor oil's harsh action on the digestive system can cause cramping and worsen overall gastrointestinal irritation. If you have IBS, it's essential to manage your symptoms with a gentler approach. Speak with your doctor about alternative remedies that are better suited for your sensitive digestive tract. Castor oil's unpredictable impact on your bowels could make IBS far worse than it already is, so it's best to steer clear. 2. Gallbladder disease. Castor oil is often marketed as a detoxifying agent, and some even claim that it helps support liver and gallbladder health. But here's where you need to be cautious. If you have gallbladder disease or a history of gallstones, castor oil could trigger painful symptoms. The gallbladder stores bile, a digestive fluid that helps break down fats in the food you eat. When you consume castor oil, it can stimulate bile production, which might sound beneficial at first. However, if you have gallstones or gallbladder inflammation, this increased bile flow can cause the stones to shift or worsen inflammation, leading to severe pain, nausea, and even the need for emergency surgery in some cases. For those with gallbladder problems, even small amounts of castor oil can trigger gallbladder attacks. So, if you have a history of gallstones, gallbladder disease, or any issues related to bile production, it's safer to avoid castor oil altogether. Consult your healthcare provider for other natural ways to support digestion without putting your gallbladder at risk. 3. Crohn's disease. Crohn's disease is a type of inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, that causes chronic inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. People with Crohn's disease experience symptoms like severe diarrhea, abdominal pain, fatigue, and weight loss. While natural remedies can sometimes alleviate symptoms of Crohn's, castor oil is not one of them. In fact, castor oil can worsen Crohn's symptoms by causing inflammation and irritation in the intestines. Because Crohn's already inflames the gut lining, introducing a strong laxative like castor oil into the mix can lead to unbearable cramping, dehydration from frequent diarrhea, and increased inflammation. The oil's ability to stimulate the intestines can aggravate the sensitive digestive tract of someone with Crohn's, triggering a flare-up that could be difficult to manage. If you have Crohn's disease, it's crucial to avoid anything that might cause additional inflammation or irritation to your digestive system. Talk to your gastroenterologist before considering any natural treatments, and be cautious about using castor oil in any form. It's simply too harsh for a condition like Crohn's. 4. Hypotension, low blood pressure. Many people are unaware that castor oil can have an effect on blood pressure. While it's often discussed in terms of its digestive and skin benefits, castor oil can influence the circulatory system, particularly by lowering blood pressure. For individuals with hypotension or low blood pressure, using castor oil could be a dangerous mistake. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil has been shown to have vasodilating effects, meaning it relaxes the blood vessels and can lower blood pressure. While this might be beneficial for those with high blood pressure, it's risky for those with low blood pressure. If you already have hypotension, using castor oil could cause your blood pressure to drop even further, leading to dizziness, fainting, fatigue, and, in extreme cases, shock. If you suffer from low blood pressure, it's best to avoid castor oil, especially in large amounts or internally. Even topical applications can sometimes have systemic effects, so proceed with caution and consult your doctor about safer alternatives. Keeping your blood pressure stable is essential for your overall health, and castor oil may not be the right fit for you. 5. Appendicitis or abdominal pain of unknown origin. Castor oil is often touted as a quick fix for constipation and digestive discomfort. But if you're experiencing severe abdominal pain, especially if it's localized to the lower right side of your abdomen, you need to avoid castor oil at all costs. This kind of pain could be a sign of appendicitis, a condition where the appendix becomes inflamed and infected, requiring urgent medical attention. Taking castor oil in such cases could mask the symptoms or make them worse. Castor oil's strong laxative properties can cause intense bowel movements and abdominal cramping, which may confuse the diagnosis of appendicitis or worsen the condition. The last thing you want is to delay proper treatment for what could be a medical emergency. Moreover, if you're experiencing any kind of unexplained abdominal pain, it's always better to consult a doctor rather than self-medicating with castor oil. Abdominal pain can have many causes, from infections to more serious issues like gallbladder disease, and using castor oil without knowing the root cause can exacerbate the problem. When in doubt, always seek medical advice before using natural remedies for abdominal discomfort. 6. Kidney disease. If you're dealing with kidney disease, castor oil should be approached with caution, or better yet, avoided entirely. The kidneys play a critical role in filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood, and any imbalance can have serious consequences. Castor oil, when used internally as a laxative, can lead to dehydration due to its strong purging effect. This dehydration can put additional strain on already compromised kidneys, making it difficult for them to filter toxins and maintain proper electrolyte balance. Furthermore, kidney disease often requires careful management of fluid intake, and castor oil's ability to cause water loss through diarrhea can disrupt this delicate balance. If dehydration becomes severe, it can cause electrolyte imbalances, leading to complications such as muscle cramps, fatigue, and in extreme cases, heart issues. In individuals with kidney disease, the body is already working hard to regulate fluids and toxins. Introducing a laxative like castor oil can upset this equilibrium and potentially lead to further kidney damage. Instead, consult with your nephrologist or healthcare provider about safer alternatives to support your digestive system or manage other health concerns without jeopardizing your kidney health. Using castor oil may seem like a quick and natural solution, but for those with kidney disease, it could cause more harm than good. Always prioritize professional medical advice to avoid unnecessary risks to your health. While castor oil can be a beneficial natural remedy for many, it's crucial to recognize that it's not suitable for everyone, especially those with certain health conditions. From digestive issues like IBS and Crohn's disease to concerns about gallbladder disease and low blood pressure, castor oil can worsen symptoms and lead to severe complications if not used correctly. If you have any of the 6 health problems mentioned in this video, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before considering castor oil as part of your routine. There are many other natural remedies that might be better suited to your specific condition, so always prioritize your health and safety. Thank you for watching, and be sure to share this video with anyone who might benefit from this important information. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more natural health tips and advice. Stay informed and stay healthy.